The role of a data analyst is increasingly becoming vital in today's data-driven world. Data analysts are professionals who gather, process, and analyze data to help organizations make informed decisions. Their primary responsibility is to transform raw data into meaningful insights that can guide strategic planning, improve operational efficiency, and ultimately drive business growth. With the exponential increase in data generated by businesses and consumers alike, the demand for skilled data analysts is soaring across various industries. One of the key tasks of a data analyst is data collection. This involves identifying the right sources of data, whether they are internal databases, customer surveys, or external reports. Analysts utilize various tools and techniques to extract relevant data, ensuring that it is accurate and comprehensive. Once the data is collected, the next step is to clean and organize it, which is crucial for reliable analysis. Poor data quality can lead to misleading conclusions, so analysts pay meticulous attention to detail during this phase. After data cleaning, the analysis process begins. Data analysts leverage a variety of quantitative and qualitative methods to interpret the information. They often use statistical techniques to identify trends, patterns, and correlations within the data. Visualization tools are also employed to create charts, graphs, and dashboards that make the data more accessible and comprehensible for stakeholders. This visual representation of data helps convey complex findings in a straightforward manner and allows for easy comparison of different datasets. Once the analysis is complete, data analysts must communicate their findings effectively. They prepare reports and presentations that summarize the insights gained and offer actionable recommendations based on the analysis. Strong communication skills are essential, as analysts often present their findings to non-technical audiences, including senior management or team members from other departments. By articulating the implications of their analyses, data analysts play a crucial role in driving data-informed decision-making within an organization. In summary, the role of a data analyst encompasses a wide range of responsibilities that are integral to the success of modern businesses. From data collection and cleaning to analysis and effective communication of insights, data analysts deliver valuable contributions that help organizations navigate the complexities of the marketplace. As organizations continue to appreciate the importance of data, the role of data analysts will undoubtedly become even more significant, shaping strategies and influencing outcomes across sectors.